Welcome to BSTM News. I'm Jane Gallardo, bringing the eyes of the news for May 2, 2024. Now, we shine a spotlight on a persistent issue plaguing our highways, noise pollution. As vehicles zip along the asphalt, they leave behind more than just tire of marks, they leave a trail of noise that affects the communities.
Good morning, Jane. I'm here at Mahayakay. For those living alongside highways, the constant route of traffic is more than just a residence. It's a daily intrusion into their homes and lives. The sound of engines revving, horns honking, and trucks rumbling can make it difficult to sleep, work, and relax.
The noise from the highway never stops. It's like a living tracks to a new, never-ending parade of cars and trucks. Sometimes it feels like there's no escape from the constant
To mitigate the impact highway noise on nearby communities, various measures have been implemented, including the construction of sound barriers. These walls are designed to absorb and deflect noise, providing some relief to affected residents.
We understand the challenge posed by highway noise, especially for those living in close proximity to the major road. That's why we commit to implementing sound mitigations measures such as sound barriers and quieter road surface to minimize the impact on surrounding neighborhoods.
Researchers are also exploring innovative solutions to combat highway noise pollution, from the development of quieter pavement materials to this use of vegetation as natural sound buffers. Efforts are underway to create quieter and more sustainable transportation infrastructure.
Thank you, Athena. While highways play a crucial role in facilitating transportation and commerce, it's essential to recognize and address the negative effects of noise pollution on nearby communities. Thank you for tuning today. For more updates and story, stay tuned to BSTM News.